think I paused it. It's paused, right? Paused it. Blinking?
No, it's recording. Look, the time.
Then it wasn't recording this whole time then? Oh shit, I'm talking. That was Richard. There's Ariel. The band is Impresion nortena, if you guys don't already know. Or they just call me, what's up? Okay, let's go, let's see. So that's a little sample of what might be happening tonight. Let's go over here with the conguero because I wasn't recording earlier. So say hi.
What's happening? ¿Cómo estamos? ¿Cómo estamos, raza?
Yeah, he didn't know what to do in front of the camera.
I get a little camera shot.
Yeah, that's good.
That's enough.
Wow, I almost tripped over. Here goes Danny. He's going to test the little thing. This is a drummer, obviously. The youngest, the smallest, least experienced.
Sometimes I gotta remind him he's a professional.
I kind of mentioned that he's green.
Sometimes we gotta remind him that he's a man. He's got to pee standing up sometimes. Hey, bro, whatever he says.
We actually caught him pissing, like, you know, sitting down one time. So. So here we go with Ariel again and Albert. Albert's walking away. He's got a little camera shy. What's up, homie? Say hi. Say hi.
¿Qué más quieres de mí?
Not much.